Hello and welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to restore a deleted blog post on Wix. So this happens sometimes that you delete a blog post accidentally, and I'm going to show you how to just restore it, and it's very easy. Now here you have your Wix editor. Now what you want to do is go over here on the Wix icon and click on Go to Dashboard. Once you click on Go to Dashboard, you get this page. In this page, you go to the left-handed menu right here and scroll until you find Blog. And in Blog, you're going to click on Posts. Now here, you're going to find the different posts that you already published, created. You have the draft, the pending review, scheduled, etc. Now I haven't really created any type of post, but I'm going to show you the one that I created and then deleted. So here we have the published ones. We're going to click on the trash, and here in the recycle bin, you usually find all the blog posts that you already deleted. As you can see, I deleted this a few minutes ago just to show you an example. And here you're going to click on you can select the blog post. Now if you have multiple blog posts that you deleted, you can easily select them all and then click on restore. Now since I only have one, I just click on restore, and my blog post is here back again in my drafts. And that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching.